Good evening, Connor Pregatzer here, talking about some severe weather. No, not for us here in Montana, but affecting a huge portion of the country, and I think definitely worth having a quick look in on the situation. Now, this is the system that's affecting a lot of the eastern portion of the states that has rolled through the Midwest, and it was actually the same system that affected us here in Montana in the middle of last week. Brought us some of that heavy snowfall rain here for us here in Billings. But it's kept on going, and it intensified, it deepened as it rolled across the country. You can see in the southern part of the storm, we have this large line of severe thunderstorms that's causing a lot of damage. Spawned a couple tornadoes late last night in Arkansas. It's also still producing snow in the northern regions where there are sub-freezing temperatures. And this purple and pink, now that's the wintry mixed precipitation as well as freezing rain pushing through Michigan and into Ontario. It's definitely going to bring some effects to them as well. Chances for falling trees, down power lines, those type of things. So the system that's left us is now affecting the rest of the country in a big way. Let's talk about those temperatures. Now that system, if we remember, is kind of settled over the eastern portion of the states, and those systems tend to drag cold temperatures down behind them. So looking at the Midwest is kind of our trouble spot, and really all the way down to New Orleans. 62 degrees in New Orleans, that's very cold for this time of year, and in fact 4 degrees colder than our temperature here in Billings today. So this system having a big influence on the weather across almost half of the country today.